So right now while I'm sitting inside, the AC is pretty stinky. So let's get this cabin air filter changed. Hello and welcome back everyone. CarMAN back with another video, and today I wanted to share with you guys my 2012 Audi Q5. And today I'm going to be changing the cabin air filter. The DIY is very easy. It takes less than 5 minutes. And if you guys also want to change the cabin filter, I'll have them linked down below in my description box. So now without wasting any time, let's get started with this cabin air filter replacement. So the cabin air filter on my Audi Q5 is located underneath the passenger footwell. So here's my glove box, and if I go all the way underneath, you're going to locate this foam piece. And on the bottom of this foam, you're going to find 3 hand screw tabs. There's one here, one there, and one back there. And they're all going to just open with your fingers. So you're going to just twist them off. Just like that. And then there's 2 more. Once all 3 are off, we're going to pull this thin foam layer down and move it out of the way. Once it's out of the way, you're going to locate this white plastic piece. There's a tabbing right here. You're going to just pull it back and the filter is going to slide right out. And as you guys could see, the filter is pretty dirty, and I see why. My car stinks. So now all I'm going to do is pull it out. So here is my old cabin air filter, and it's time to replace it with the new one. So here's the new charcoal activated cabin air filter, and compared to the old one, this old one is pretty beat up and destroyed. So let's replace it with this new part. To install the new cabin air filter properly, it only goes in this way. The cutout has to be on this side. And then we're going to go to the slot. Basically, you're going to fold the air filter a tiny bit and keep pushing up. And once you do that, it's going to go completely in, just like that. And then we're going to install this plastic slider. And this is pretty straightforward. You're going to line it up and slide it into place. Then we're going to grab a black foam piece, put it into place, just like that, and then install all 3 of these plastic screws back into place. And there you have it. That's how quick and easy it is to replace the cabin air filter on an Audi Q5. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. And like always, I would really appreciate if you guys could hit the like button and drop a comment down below. And if you guys want to see more DIY videos on my Audi, please make sure to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys soon with another video. Thank you.